It's complete. Ready for you too. Key, give me some bread. You back up the bread.
Brother, big there.
Trouble did there.
Mm-hmm.
Such a good. Alright, viewers, as you can see, we have some lobster in our bag, yeah? Curry lobster we have on the menu tonight, you know. Some night settings tonight, you know. Yeah. Outdoor settings just as well.
Tonight in Paris cooking, we shall do some curry lobster. Let's go. So we're going to take our lobster. We're going to use a well-sharpened knife, very humanely move the lobster tails. As we push our knife, the pointed end, in from the base of the body and the tail from the underbelly side, separating the membrane that holds tail muscle and tail. We hold our tail and do a simple twist and pull. That removes the tail, and we clean up the stash it to one side and we move on to another. So now we're gonna remove our meat from our lobster. Put them down on the cutting board. Knife at the base of the tail. Right. We want the lobster tail meat. Don't want nothing else. That's the tail meat. Take out the membrane. Don't want the membrane of the lobster. So lobster meat. We got nice lobster tails. We're gonna cut them up, we're gonna season them up for our lobster. Not too small. Nice bite-sized pieces. Our lobster. Put it in our container. Some salt. Half tablespoon of black pepper. Some better fat black pepper. I'll add some half tablespoon chili flakes. Onion powder. Half tablespoon garlic powder. One and a half teaspoons fish seasoning. Cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon. Curry. One and a half tablespoon curry. Gonna need some oil now and ladder. Some cooking oil, not a lot, so little. Now we're gonna marinate the Saiyajin all the seasoning. So leave it for marinate for half hour. So season, we're gonna get some garlic, onion, scallion, thyme. Want the curry to be well marinated. We have him right here, well marinated. So let's clean up some seasoning. Thyme. I'm gonna use 2 stalks of scallion. Scallion. Onions are 1 large, 1 medium. I'm gonna use 5 to 6 of the garlic. We got the tail and the head. Onions. Veggies are burning up. Cut our veggies into small bites, guys. I'm gonna julienne with our onions. Woo! before I install some AC in the kitchen and hot. Dicing up some garlics. Add some oil to our pot. Gonna saute some garlic. Give it a few minutes. Want the garlic to release all the natural juices out in the oil so we can help incorporate all our veggies. Adding our rest of seasoning to our pot. Some curry. Add some water to help steam down the veggies. Yeah, I'm gonna add some Irish. Small bite-sized pieces. Straight to the pot. Our lobster easy to cook. We're gonna add him last to the pot. Right now we just want our Irish to start to cook. Irish has been cooking for a while now. Perfect.
So what's that, brother?
Lobster.
Alright. Curry lobster to the thing.
Yes. Yeah, so we reach right where it's supposed to be.
Coffee stove.
Curry lobster, all day.
Pretty man.
Viewers, as you can see, curry lobster done, complete, ready for eating. Key, give me some bread. Go back up the bread.
I'm gonna be there.
You know?